Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
We currently have a machine that displays a circle of green, and when you click it, it will cycle through green, yellow, and red. What if you wanted to pass XState initial values from Jotai? You'll need to make use of the initial values property on Jotai Provider and pass a list of pair, that's atom and value, to it. To do this, we'll be refactoring the creation of our traffic machine to be a function that accepts an atom as an initial value. One note to be aware of is that this initial value will only be set when the XState machine instantiates. So over here, what we'll be doing is we'll be modifying our traffic machine and we'll make it in such a manner that it accepts this initial value. So here, let's go ahead and do that. Now we have create traffic machine, which is accepting initial color. Now over here, we'll be creating our initial traffic atom and we'll be providing the initial color to it. So here we are saying that it's green color and we have our create traffic machine now. The next thing is to make use of this create traffic machine over here. So instead of this atom with machine that we have, we'll have to change it a bit. And here now we are using atom with machine get, and then we're calling this create traffic machine. And inside that, we have our get initial traffic atom. So when we say get initial traffic atom, we'll get the green to it. And then we are passing that value to create traffic machine. And then we have our machine available. Now, the other stuff that we had, like fetch traffic message and async message atom or this traffic message, they will remain as is. Even the traffic component will remain as is. Now, the thing that we need to do is over here in our provider, we will be actually using the provider's initial values attribute. And here we'll be passing an array of collection. So it's going to look like this initial values. And then here we have the atom and the initial value to it. So initial traffic atom is the atom that was holding the initial color, like green over here. And here we are saying that instead of green, we want for this one to be yellow. And then the other one over here, we can set it to, let's say, red. So here we can go ahead and mention it as red. So here we are making use of the provider's initial values attribute. Now let's save this and run it. And there we go. We have initial color set to yellow for this one, and the other one is now set to red. If I click on red, it will turn to green. And then if I click over here yellow, it will change to red. And from red, it will change to green. So to recap, we defined an atom that holds an initial value. We then created a function to create a machine instead of creating a machine directly. Then the traffic atom takes a function to create a machine. And finally, we provide the initial value using Jotai's provider over here. Provider is a general feature in Jotai and not specific to XState. It allows to initialize the atom values when it first renders. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.